Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 Under 3, and I'll be covering trading education, more specifically FOREX trading, using the TC2000 and TradingView platforms. Hello, this is the FOREX Week in Review with the 28 FOREX majors and minors. I'm going to start off with the Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. On the strategic picture, we have an upward target of 0.97243. Operational picture started above the dragon, in the dragon, then shot way above the dragon. And on the tactical picture, those flows, we hit those flows just right with that news and caught that profit flow to the upside. Got a profit of $1,610. Aussie dollar Swiss franc, we have an upward target on the strategic picture at 0.68178. Operational picture in the dragon, above, back, below, back above to close out the week. With the chop on the tactical picture, we have a profit of $413. Aussie dollar Japanese yen, we have a profit target that is almost touched here at 95.425. Price action above the dragon, in the dragon, right around the RL270, and then back dragon. However, consolidation at the beginning of the week, we had some nice gains at the beginning with the flow, and then towards Tuesday and onward, we still had some major consolidation with a loss of $172. Aussie dollar New Zealand dollar, we have a downward target of 1.07259 on the strategic picture. Price action above the dragon, then shot below the dragon. Stayed there the rest of the week. Consolidation throughout the rest of the week, including this huge harami that went up and down here. This showed a lot of volatility at this particular time. Loss of $282. Aussie dollar US dollar, no target on the strategic picture. Price action above the dragon, in, and then shot back above. We caught that flow Wednesday. It was a nice catch, and with that flow, we had a profit of $4,076. $80 Swiss franc, we have a target to the downside at 0.72843. Price action below the dragon, pretty much stayed below the dragon. However, there was enough volatility on the tactical picture to eke out a profit of $404. Canadian dollar Japanese yen, we have a downward target at 98.58. Price action above, shot below, and then back through and stayed just above the dragon on the operational picture. However, consolidation on the tactical picture, even with that initial gain to the short side with a bounce at the RL270 and the 200 moving day average, we had a loss of $1,696. Swiss franc Japanese yen, we have a downward target of 125.987. Price action above the dragon, shot below, bounce off the RL90, and then back above. Price action on the tactical picture was not as good. We had a lot of consolidation and got caught with $1,181 loss. Euro Aussie dollar, we have price target on the strategic picture to the side at 204. Price action initially above the dragon, shot below, in the dragon, then remained below. Some nice flows to the downside that we caught later on in the week, right after that announcement, at $2,434. Euro Canadian dollar, we have a price target to the upside at 1.35094. Price action above, went below, back above, and then back below on the operational picture. However, with that volatility, we were able to make a profit of $667 on the 1 hour chart. Euro Swiss franc, no target on the strategic picture. Price action below the dragon, initially above, and then shot way below and stayed below throughout the rest of the week. And those nice flows to the downside, got a profit of $1,050. Euro British pound, we have a price target to the upside on the strategic picture of 0.86484. Price action above the dragon, in, back above, back in, and then back above, and then remained in the dragon on the operational picture. With that consolidation, it affected the tactical picture with a loss of $1,803. Euro Japanese yen, we have a price target to the upside at 139.986. Price action on above the dragon, then below, and back in the dragon. With that consolidation, affected the tactical picture at the 1 hour chart with a loss of $532. Here in New Zealand dollar, no price target on the strategic picture. Price action above the dragon, started going into the dragon, and then shot down for the rest of the week. We caught those flows at the initial announcement. Nice profit of $4,186 to the downside. These really nice flows. Euro US dollar, we have a price target to the upside at 1.13722. Price action in the dragon, shot up above and then back into the dragon. However, the tactical picture flowed rather nicely with some upward flows. Got that initial flow here with a profit of $2,764. British pound Aussie dollar, no price target on the strategic picture. Price action below the dragon, stayed pretty much below. Got caught up a little bit in the dragon here midweek. There's some beautiful flows to the downside. Look at this. These wonderful flows just kept going down and continue to go down the rest of the week with a nice substantial profit of $7,076. British pound Canadian dollar, we got a price target on the strategic picture to the downside of 1.51163. Price action in the dragon below, back above, back below, which translated to the tactical picture of a lot of consolidation and some late entries into the overall flows. A loss of $869. British pound, Swiss franc, no profit target on the strategic picture. Price action below the dragon, stayed below. However, the tactical picture, even though this flows mainly downside on the higher time frame, the 8-hour, got caught up in some consolidation on the way down with a loss of $442. British pound, Japanese yen, we have a downward target of 148.978. Price action above the dragon, then below. The consolidation, however, translated to a loss of $357 on the 1-hour chart. British pound, New Zealand dollar, no price target on hit its price target here. No price target on the strategic picture. However, price action hit below the dragon and continue to go down. And beautiful flows to the downside. Nice steady flows, which gave us a profit of $4,903. British pound, US dollar, we had a price target of 1.16653. Price action in the dragon above and then back below. However, we did have some initial consolidation, but we did catch that amazing flow to the upside based on that announcement with $3,605 profit. Zealand Canadian dollar, price target at 879.74 with price action in the dragon on the operational picture, then shot up above the dragon on the 8-hour time frame. Consolidation hit us pretty hard, even though we caught that initial flow. There's still a lot of chop within there, and we had a $36 profit. Zealand Swiss franc, no target on the strategic picture. Price action in the dragon, above the dragon at the end of the week, with a profit of $437. Zealand Japanese yen, we have a price target to the upside at 89.109. Price action above the dragon, stayed above the dragon throughout, except after the news. Pretty big harami with a lot of price action chop throughout, even with that an overall weekly gain. Profit of $26. Zealand US dollar, no price target on the strategic picture. Price action was initially in the dragon, then shot up above the dragon with a nice profit of $3,791 and some nice upward flows for the rest of the week. US dollar, no price target on the strategic picture. Price action above the dragon, shot below, and then back below, and then stayed there the rest of the week. Even though the initial consolidation was throughout the rest of the week, we were able to get a profit of $671 out of those flows. US Swiss franc, you got a price target to the downside at 0.89976. Price action below the dragon, initially above the dragon, then shot below the dragon. Beautiful flows to the downside with a profit of $2,404. US dollar Japanese yen, we have a price target of 128.11 to the downside on the strategic picture. Price action above the dragon, shot way below the dragon, then back into the dragon, which translated some consolidation at the beginning of the week. However, with that, we were able to catch this flow and hit this nice gain at $2,911 profit. Looking at the dollar right now, currently we don't have a price target on the strategic picture. Dow Jones Industrials, we're looking at an upward target of 36,616 with price action all above the dragon on the operational 8-hour picture. NASDAQ, we have a price target to the upside at 15,270 with price action above the dragon on the 8-hour picture. We still have a major moving average, the RL270, still going to the downside. So be careful of the rubber band effect here. Same thing with the S&P 500. We have a target to the upside at 4,666. Again, RL270 to the downside, all price action above the dragon. Gold now has an upward target instead of a downward target with a nice Cup and handle and consolidation, we have upward target of 1852.72 an ounce. This kind of snuck in here. We do have a price target to the upside of 108.86 a barrel, right? So it does have an upward price target for oil at this time. This is not good for heat costs this winter. We got natural gas with the target of 11.622 to the upside. And just looking at Taiwan with all of the news that's coming out of the Pacific, we got a price target on the Taiwan exchange at 689 to the upside. And the China 50, we do have an upward target of 14,736. So pretty much everybody is to the plus side. We'll see if we can maintain this momentum. Well, folks, that's all I have for the Forex Week in Review. We're currently conducting a Forex Bootcamp and a Forex Intermediate course. If you're interested, click on the link below. And remember, ruthless risk management. Have a great weekend, everybody, and I'll see you on Sunday.
Well, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like rumble button below and the subscribe button. And if you want more information, go ahead and click the course information links below. On the TradingView link and on TC2000, I have an affiliate link. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.